guys, welcome in this video. Today in this video I will tell you how to install NetBeans in your computer. To install NetBeans in your computer, first of all you have to install Java Development Kit. As I have already installed Java Development Kit in my computer. If you don't know how to install Java Development Kit, I have already made a video on a Java Development Kit installation. You can find that video link in the description. Go to that link and watch that video, and first of all install Java Development Kit in your laptop, and then you will be able to install NetBeans in your laptop or computer. Okay, first of all, if you want to install NetBeans in your computer, open your favorite browser. I am using Chrome. You can use any browser. Type here NetBeans. Okay, NetBeans, and you will find a link. First link, welcome to NetBeans. Click on it, and after that on the home page of NetBeans website you will find here a link, download. Click on download link. Here you will find different versions. First one is 12.1, then 12.0, and here are some of the older releases, that is, you can say that older versions you can also install. So here I am going to install 12.0. Click on download, and there are different download links you can use to install NetBeans. I will go to binaries link. Click on it, and you will find here a link for your download. You can see we suggest the following mirror site for your download. Click on it. It will take some time and the downloading will start. As you can see on my screen, the file size is approximately 360 MB, and you can download. Okay, as I have already downloaded that file in my PC, so let's continue to the further procedure. Okay, download. In my download section, here I am having NetBeans 12.0. okay, right click on it and click on extract files, and it will extract NetBeans to this folder, and then click on OK. It will take some time. Okay, as you can see, this folder has been extracted. Almost 50% I extracted, and will take some time to complete extraction of this folder NetBeans. Okay, now the extraction has been completed, and we are having these files in NetBeans folder. Okay, now copy that NetBeans folder and paste it in your local disk C. To use NetBeans in your computer, you have to set up your environment variables and install JDK kit. That is necessary to run NetBeans in your computer. If you don't know how to set up environment variables and install JDK, you can find video link in description. Go to that video, watch that video, do setting, and then install NetBeans. This copy is taking a little bit time because of the file amount is too much. Wait for a few seconds and it will be done. Now the copying of NetBeans folder into local disk C is almost completed. Okay, now open that NetBeans folder. In NetBeans folder you will find a folder name as bin. Open that folder, and here you will find a different applications. First one is NetBeans, and next NetBeans 64. Okay, click on anyone. I am clicking on NetBeans 64. Okay, now you can see the Apache NetBeans module has been started. It is running only because I have done the environmental settings of Java and installed Java Development Kit in my laptop. Okay, so now wait for it to complete the process of Apache NetBeans. Okay, now it is completed. These are user statistics. Click on I agree. If you want to read that, you can click on it. Agree. Okay, here you will see a building dictionary. These are some background processes that will run when you install NetBeans. Okay, now click on new project, and here are different projects: Java with Maven, Java with Gradle, Java with Ant. Okay, anything you want to write your code you can use. Here I am going with Java with and then on Java application. Click on next. Okay, and here project name and project location, project folder, and it is main class here. And after that click on finish. You can see creating new project. It will take some time, and a new project will be created in short. Okay, now you can see a default project has been created with name Java application 1.java application, and here are some of you can see background processes. This is also. So that's it. That was our today video, how to install NetBeans in our system. And one more thing, if you want to access NetBeans, you can copy this. Click on copy and paste on your desktop, and every time you want to access your NetBeans, close it, double click on it. Okay, I think we have to access this file from that folder where it is being placed. Okay, go to there, and NetBeans bin folder, NetBeans 64. Yes, from now we can access it. So the better option is create shortcut here. Create shortcut, and then move that shortcut to desktop. From now I am going to exit it. This is the shortcut on desktop. I am going to access NetBeans from this shortcut. I am clicking on it, and yes, you can see here the NetBeans is accessible from desktop. So this was our today video, how to install NetBeans in our computer.